Hey guys, it's Devin, and in this video, it's the first day of summer, no school for 2.5 months, I'm guessing. So tomorrow, it's going to be 2 days till camp, but also today, it's not really early in the morning, it's probably getting closer to the afternoon. And yeah, so almost 2 days to camp. Woo, and you gotta get excited for that, because you gotta stay in tune for this. It's gonna be awesome. This is just gonna be awesome. But in this video, I want to tell you I won a contest at my school for most box tops, and I got a couple things. I got a ring pop. I got a new fidget spinner, poop emoji one, which I don't have, and a $20 Five Below gift card. It says proof. School gave me $20. So I went to Five Below today. Got a bar of chocolate, Hershey's chocolate, king size, and then also I got that for $1.79, and then I got this RC car for $5. So I'm just gonna turn it on there already, and car. Woo. Oh! I crashed it like it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put you guys back up. But yeah, we got some pretty good scenes of this car here. But we're in my basement. We got a lot of room. And we got a car. We got a remote. We got a camera. And we're gonna go. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to a place where I've made a couple of videos before, right past the Yogi-Bo village, I guess I like to call it. Once I'm getting out of the way. So we have a big space right here. We can drive this car. So I'm going to get you guys down here. I'm going to be mainly driving down here. And yeah, so you guys can get some pretty good angles. See the car sword? Reverse, forward, this turns left and right. See the wheels moving a little bit? You probably can't. Not a really good angle, but it's a pretty good car. I got this at Five Below for $5. The limit on how much they sell stuff for. When it says Five Below, the name doesn't lie. I got this for $5. It was one of the more expensive things because it was up to $5. And a cool car, $5 car, and house. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna bring it back. Don't worry, I'm gonna try. Okay. I gotta go get it because apparently I'm a terrible driver. But thank God this. For driving, some basic driving skills. Reverse, so you can get a close up of the back. Drive forward, the back, forward, back. It's a big close up. It's a bit too extreme for a close up. There's some good angles. Let's see. Okay, just put it there. Reviews, back it up, bring it to me. Come back around. I'm literally crashing it everywhere. Woo! I'm a terrible driver. Car down. So yeah, guys, this is technically a really cool car I got. $5. I also do recommend going to Five Below. some good stuff there. They do have fidget spinners for $5 and fidget cubes and all that stuff that I have already. Haven't done any reviews on them. There's $5 there for fidget cubes and fidget spinners, any kind. This is my cool car, and yeah, so yeah. I'm just gonna tell you here, I haven't really looked at the car too much. I've just like opened it up, put the batteries in, and figured out how it works. And then the remote, I really haven't looked at it and the cool designs on it. I saw what it looks like in a box. No other way though. So I've not seen it any other way than how it's in the box, and then really examine it. So yeah, this is all I gotta show you really. I do like the cool designs on it. It's a nice red car. I do have a Lego car kind of like this, except it sadly got destroyed. It was kind of like this, window slanted like that on the roof. Except this one has red designs there. Also, it was a little bit different on the back of the roof. The designs are all different, but everything else is pretty much the same. That kind of thing was the same. Bumper was the same. Front was the same. Not the same company because it doesn't have a company. This is my Lego set. Had a company from Lego Speed Racers. And I did a review on that set. There. Sure, so we're gonna just, yeah. I don't think that's gonna be coming to me anytime soon. So yeah. Let's go back to my recording studio and grab my car and the remote and then everything. Blah, 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 who cares? And yeah, so that was technically my car. It's a pretty cool car. I've only used it a couple times, so yeah. There's only a couple more things I wanted to tell you. Told you about camp, told you about all that stuff. But yeah, I'm going on vacation. Hopefully to Cancun. Most likely Cancun. No, but I forgot to turn it off. Okay, then. Okay, I didn't say bye to you guys. This video's still going. I'm going to say bye to this car, which I'm about to turn off. Get off the side. So, yeah. We're going to Cancun, hopefully. And I will vlog a lot. Me and Cancun. It's in Mexico. Me and Cancun. Not as much as, well, go crazy. Not as much as me and Hawaii. Me and Hawaii would be like, I think it's supposed to be like tropical, not an island, but like the tropical, more tropical, really good weather part of Mexico. And I think it would be really nice to go there. So yeah, I'm going to be buying more stuff with this card, because I still got like $15 left on that. 15 or 14, I'm not sure. But yeah. I will see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell. Do stuff like that. Comments. And tell me what I should buy. Like, I don't know what I should buy. I bought this car. They have boats. I'm going to be able to buy a boat. Well, one of these, a remote control boat that actually floats. I can buy something like that. We'll buy floaty things. So I can bring to camp. But quickly, you got to put that in the comments quickly, so I can buy it. I'm probably gonna buy it more likely after camp, though. I'm gonna bring just after camp because I only have 2 days, guys. 2 days till I'm down at camp and be expecting a lot of vlogs till then. I'd also be expecting more vlogs than usual. Well, because I'm at school during the week, 5 days a week, and then I have the 2 days off. But also on those days, I'm also really gonna be busy. But also my whole summer's busy. I've got more than just one camp, but my other camps are like day camps, and I'm probably not gonna be bringing a camera there. So yeah, I will see you next time, guys. Please like and subscribe. Oh, what am I doing? I just told you all this. Okay, so yeah, bye, peace, and I really want to say like and subscribe again, but I can't. So yeah, bye. Also, stay tuned for the camp video. Bye.